Hey guys, it's Tripp here with Tripp Talk, and today I'm going to be talking about the law of attraction and how you can make it work for you. So if you're someone out there that's interested in this law that governs the universe and also interested in a way that you can achieve all of your goals, definitely stay tuned. So the law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. Now, with the law of attraction, it is also believed that no matter your age, religious beliefs, nationality, or whatever the case may be, we are all susceptible to the laws that govern the universe, including the law of attraction. So essentially what this means is that the law of attraction is always working within us every minute of the day, whether we realize it or not. It is the law of attraction that uses the power of our mind to use whatever it is that is in our thoughts to materialize that into reality. So in basic terms, all thoughts turn into things eventually. And so with that being said, it is important to realize that if you are someone that currently thinks, negative, you got to understand that if you're thinking negative, you're going to remain under a negative cloud for as long as you think negative. Because again, all your thoughts are going to turn into things eventually. So if you're thinking negative about stuff, if you're thinking negative about certain situations, you're always going to come out on a negative end of things. I mean, is that starting to make sense to you? So it is in your best interest to begin to think positive about everything. Even if things aren't looking as good in reality at that current moment, it's still in your best interest to continue to think positive and continue to have faith, because again, those positive thoughts will turn into things eventually, and you will one day achieve what you set out to achieve. It doesn't happen overnight, but while you're trying to achieve these things, again, it is in your best interest to continue to think positive, or to start thinking positive if you aren't currently doing that. Under the law of attraction, the complete order of the universe is determined, including everything that comes into your life and everything that you experience. It does so through the magnetic power of your thoughts. Now, before I close, I would actually like to leave you guys with a few tips and actually a small roadmap to how you can utilize this law and use it to the best of your abilities to make it work for you and help you achieve the things that you really want to achieve. Number one, spend some quiet time with yourself and your thoughts. You should try this at least once a day for about 30 minutes. And what this will allow you to do is it will allow you to hear yourself, and it will allow you to figure out what it is that you really want. A lot of us don't realize it, but we don't know what we really want because we don't take the time away from our friends, away from our phones, away from our TVs to just sit there and listen to ourselves and figure out, again, what it is that we really want. So a lot of y'all think y'all want something, but you don't know what it is that you really want. So take that time, 30 minutes a day, to just sit there, no TV, no phones, no friends, no wife, no husband, no anything, just you, yourself, and listen to yourself. Now, with that being said, tip number 2, create a vision board. Put up on your vision board 4 to 5 things that you would like to accomplish within the next year. And make sure they're colored pictures. Put up colored pictures of these things, and every morning when you wake up in the morning, just look at it. Look at your vision board. Now, what this will do is, number 1, it will remind you that you have something to work for. You still have some motivation. You still have some purpose. You still have something to get up in the morning for and work for and accomplish for not just you, but for your family. And number 2, with looking at this vision board, you will constantly be thinking about what it is that you want out of life. And remember, thoughts turn into things always, eventually. So get that vision board. Now, my last and final tip is to simply have faith. Now, your faith has to be backed by hard work and dedication. You can't just be out here having faith and not working hard and dedicating yourself to your craft. But if you are a person that's putting in that hard work and dedication, and you know you're doing the right things, your last step is to simply have faith and think positive in the meantime. Have faith and think positive, and know that eventually what you set out to accomplish will happen. Speak it into existence. Don't be afraid to have faith, especially if you're out there working hard and putting in that dedication. So today we went over the law of attraction and how you can make it work for you. And I even provided you guys with some tips on putting that law of attraction to work. So now you're ready to conquer the world. I'm Tripp, and this is Tripp Talk, and I really thank you guys for watching. Until next time.